What's up guys? Happy 4th of July, and by the time I get this up it may not be 4th of July anymore, so I hope you guys had a great 4th of July and welcome back to a new video. I know it's been a minute since I've been able to get some new content up for you guys, so thank you for being patient. And I am finally sharing how I curl my hair and how I make my curls last in this new video. So if you would like to see how to get all this good, then please keep watching. I want to give a special shout out to Mylene Flores. Thank you so much for all your love and support. Thank you for watching my videos and for not only loving the fashion that I put together, but also finding inspiration in it to feel confident and to feel beautiful. It truly means a lot to me. I love that I'm able to create content that makes you happy, that makes you feel inspired, makes you feel confident in who you are. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch my videos and for all your love and support. Thank you for the love all the way from the Philippines. I love my second home. I love you guys so much and I can't wait to come back again soon. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys like it and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys. What's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how I curl my hair and basically my new technique on how to make sure your curls stay throughout the day, throughout any occasion that you're curling your hair for. I definitely have struggled in the past, especially like after you spend a certain amount of time curling it, somehow the curls just fall out. They never stick for as long as you want them to, and then by the end of the day, your curls are gone. I definitely have hair that does not like to always work in my favor, so coming upon this technique and just basically trying it out for myself, I found this has worked and it has definitely helped me, helped my curls last longer throughout the day. I washed my hair today and I haven't done anything to it, it's just straight. And so I'm going to use my curler. This is the Revlon curler. This curler is kind of old. This bad boy has been with me for years. I haven't replaced it. Still works good as new. The only thing that's missing is the little clamp here. I don't open it and close it like this. I don't really do that. So it doesn't really matter to me. And this is really great because it has this, oh my goodness, this heat protectant cover. So after you're done using it, or maybe like when you're in the middle of using it, so nothing burns and like you're not like ruining anything, you just cover it. What I like to do is use my go-to hairspray. This is my go-to hairspray. This is the hairspray that I use for like everything. I don't really like using too much hairspray because it does definitely weigh your hair down, or at least for me. So I will just beforehand start spraying my hair and kind of just like rubbing it through. I'm not a hair specialist. I don't know much about hair except for what I've done to my own hair and like how I style it. So if I'm doing this completely wrong and if you're like a hair expert, please don't hate me. This is just what works for me. So if it doesn't work for you, that's fine. If you think it's weird, that's okay too. I'm just showing you my technique. And also when I have flyaways, like even if my hair is straight, I'll usually just like spray some hairspray in my hand and kind of just like tame my flyaways, but that's a step you can do later. I usually always start on my left side. I'm going to show you my secret to making the curls stick right after you curl them, and that is bobby pins. I would say use like a handful of bobby pins. I take a section of hair about like this much. Oh, and by the way, this is I think it's a half-inch curler from Revlon. So, and I'm sorry, I know I'm the type of person who like, if it's literally not working, that's when I'll replace something. But if I can still use it, then I'll still use it. That's me. I like to save. But, so I'll take about like this much of hair and we're gonna start curling it. And like when I curl it, I curl towards my face. So I'll show you right here. This. I usually only have my hair on the iron for like 20 seconds. Obviously, you don't want to burn your hair. So, count. So it's been 20 seconds. You can always feel it out if you feel like maybe it's not been on there long enough. And so what I like to do is I like to cup it like in my hand like this. And I'll use a bobby pin so that way our curl doesn't fall out, like it's not just hanging. I'm gonna like pin it to my head. So this is like an alternative, I guess, instead of like using rollers. I kind of make sure it's in a place where I can secure it and hold it down. And take my bobby pin and I will pin the curl. And I know it might look funny like sitting on the top of your head, but usually I'm at home doing this. Even if I'm not at home, it's okay. Like, if you're out and about doing stuff, it's fine. People get it. You're curling your hair, no big deal. So again, another section of hair. What you want to do is you're going to curl it like in the direction towards you. So take a piece of hair, and obviously like you can space like the length of your curl if you want them bigger, if you want them tighter. It depends to you if you want them like more loose. So I like mine kind of like big and wavy, so this is just what I do and what works for me. So here, take a section of the hair, wrap it around our curling wand, just like this. Wait 20 seconds, and then we'll take it out, we'll cup it, and we'll pin it. I don't even know if my directions of doing this are that accurate, but as long as you get the gist of it. So you want to point the curling iron down, you want to cup your curl, and it will be hot, so be careful. I've burnt myself countless of times, so ain't my first rodeo. I'll just take a bobby pin and pin this up there. Like so. So yeah, so far I have two in my hair. I don't know if you can tell, they're in the back of my hair, hanging out. So recently, I've been making some different life changes, and that's kind of like why I haven't been as consistent on YouTube as I usually am. I'm trying to find a balance, I guess, and try to figure out how to compartmentalize my time, which has been something I've always struggled with. I'm not the best with like trying to find a perfect time for everything, you know, in the world we live in today, but trying to figure it out. I obviously want to continue making videos for you guys, and this has just been a transitional period in time for me. We'll see where everything goes, but I haven't forgotten about you, so if I am not as consistent as I usually am, please don't worry. I'm not disappearing. I'm just figuring things out as I go. I promise. So far, this is what the side of my head looks like right now. I can kind of give you guys a close-up here. Let's see. So this is what the side of my head looks like. So we will go ahead and move on to this side next. Grandma vibes, anyone? It's okay if you have some strands that are missing or falling out. If they're little, kind of just go ahead and curl them. And if they're not working when I take the rest of my hair down, then I'll fix them later. No big deal. You got time for that. this is the grandma tutorial. No, I'm just kidding. But your hair does look kind of funky when it's up like this, so usually I'll go ahead and finish my makeup. I'll do whatever I need to be doing before I need to be heading out, and I'll let this sit. And I'll just start taking them out in a little bit and shake out my hair, and then you guys will be able to see the final result. So don't mind me while I'm obviously acting like I'm in a hair commercial. But after I take the pins out, I toss my hair and brush through the curls with my fingers. You can also use a brush if you want. I just don't want to completely brush it through. If you're wondering why the length of my hair isn't as long as it is in the thumbnail, I usually have my hair trimmed every couple or few months for split ends, otherwise it would be much longer, and that's also if I don't pin my curls. Hope you guys enjoyed my goofiness and found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching.